All right, guys, last adventure here. We have arrived at Joshua Tree during the government shutdown here with the infamous California Through My Lens. We are looking to see how the park is doing. We've come in a gate. They're not taking fees, but they are letting visitors into the park. On the minor side, there is some poop lying around near the closed bathroom. We're gonna see if we can pick it up, so away we go. What else will we find? We're not picking. So we've arrived at Barker Dam, one of the more popular areas in the park. Parking lot's pretty empty and the trash cans are also empty. So, looking good. Hey guys, last adventure here, and as you can see by the giant Costco-sized package of toilet paper I've got, we've completed our traverse across Joshua Tree. We've hit all the high points: Barker Dam, Ryan Mountain, Jumbo Rocks Campground, and found, wait for it, pretty much nothing, guys. We ran into a ranger and I asked him, I said, is the damage as bad as the media would report? You know what he said? I can't comment on that, but you can see for yourself. Well, we've seen for ourselves, and it's actually pretty good. I'd say better than when the government is running the park, if we're being honest. So, bottom line, should you come to the parks? Yes, it is your public lands. Protect them, preserve them. Should you use Leave No Trace? Yes. And if you feel like it, like us, bring some toilet paper, pitch in, and do your best. Hey guys. Hey guys, last adventure here. A day after California Through My Lens and I's adventure to Joshua Tree, I thought about everything overnight, and I'm still of the same conclusion. It's fine to go to the national parks right now. Obviously, you gotta take the proper precautions. Leave no trace, follow established trails, maybe take trash with you if you find a full trash can. But realistically, as the parks are open, there's no reason why you should not go. If you see someone doing something bad, obviously you're gonna have to explore your options as to maybe, can you get them to stop doing it? Is there a park ranger around you can report them to? These are all things that you're going to have to decide on your own when you're there on the scene. But what I'm here to tell you, and as I think you got from the whole video, is even at the destroyed Joshua Tree, things are fine. These are your public lands. Part of enjoying the public lands is being able to access them. Right now, these are open. You should go there. Now, for everyone, there may be more ethical quandaries and other issues as time goes on. I get it. But I'm telling you, today, January 2019, you should go. You should enjoy it. If you have trips planned, you should check it out. Because in some ways, as I told you yesterday, things are better than when the government is running them. There was less people, there was less trash. People seem to have a better idea as to leave no trace and looking out for each other. So, go enjoy the national parks. Now, if you still aren't convinced, there's some great areas in the California region that you can go as alternatives. There's the Whitewater Preserve, which is a short distance away. It's now also part of a federal government land unit, although the Whitewater section is owned by the Nature Conservancy. Locally, there's also Anza Borrego State Park, which I also visited this weekend. It's a state park, great state unit, great alternative to Joshua Tree, and one of the best hikes there is Hellhole Canyon, especially this time of year. There's wildflowers, there's maidenhair falls, you may even see some bighorn sheep. So, in closing, respect public land, but get out and enjoy it. Thanks guys, hope to see you around, and see you on the trail.